everyone and welcome back to the new video of this channel. So in this video we will be solving a problem which is sum of the all substrings of a number. It's an easy level problem. So let's see the problem statement. So problem is saying that we have given a string s, integer s, sorry, represented as a string. The task is to get the sum of the all possible substrings of this string. Okay, as the answer will be too large, so answer can be too large, so that's why we have to return the answer as a modulo. Okay. So modulo is 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So let's see the example. So we have given this string 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to take the sum of the all substring that are possible using this substring. So the substring that are possible is 1, 2, 3, 4. If we are taking only one length substring, if we take the two length substring, the substring can be like 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4. You can see here 1 2 2 2 3 and 3 4. And if we take the length of the substring as 3, so that the substring that are possible is 1 2 3 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 2 3 4. And finally if we take the substring, the total string, the length of the substring is 4, so which is equal to the length of the string. So it will be like 1 2 3 4 to 1 2 3 4. So the total sum will be 1670, and that we have to return. So this example is also same, 4 to 1. In this example, if we take the substring as one length, so 4 plus 2 plus 1, then 4 2, then 2 1, then full length of the string 4 to 1. So as final, we have to return the sum of this substring 491. So let's see the approach for this. So approach part is very simple. So in this approach, what we will do is we will create a vector and we will put all the elements in of the string in vector. So finally we will get like vector 1 2 3 4. And now in this vector we will use a loop for int I equals to 0 to I less than n, which will be I equals to 0 to n. And we will take a sum, a result equals to 0. Initially result will be 0, and before applying this loop we will take a answer vector, that answer integer that we have to return. Initially answer will be 0. So now we will apply a loop for int j equals to I to n. Now what we will do, we will check like result equals to result multiply 10 plus b of j. B of j is showing this loop, b of j. And after this result, I will add this result into my answer. So answer equals to answer plus result. So let's see the dry run for this. So let's, yeah. So dry run is very simple. If I equals to 0, because I will go to 0 to n. If I equals to 0, then this loop will work for int j equals to 0 to n, because j equals to I to n है, तो I equals to 0 है, तो j equals to 0 to n work करेगा. If j equals to 0, it means we will take this first, this character, this element 1. So result equals to result multiply 10 plus b of j. B of j is 1. So result initially 0 था, तो ये कितना आ गया, रिजल्ट 1 आ गया. सो फाइनली हम क्या करेंगे, आंसर इक्वल टू आंसर प्लस रिजल्ट. सो आंसर इक्वल टू 1 हो गया. नाउ आई जे इक्वल टू 1 आएगा, तो जे इक्वल टू 1 होगा तो रिजल्ट इक्वल टू रिजल्ट मल्टीप्लाई 10. रिजल्ट प्रीवियस रिजल्ट कितना था, 1 था, तो 1 मल्टीप्लाई 10 प्लस बी ऑफ जे. बी ऑफ जे कितना है, 2. नाउ तो ये कितना रिजल्ट बन गया, 12. फिर 12 को आंसर में ऐड कर देंगे तो 1 प्लस 12 हो जाएगा. नाउ इफ जे इक्वल टू 3, सॉरी j इक्वल टू 2. सो j इक्वल टू 2 होगा तो रिजल्ट इक्वल टू रिजल्ट मल्टीप्लाई 10. इनिशियल previous result was 12, so 12 multiplied 10 plus b of j. B of j now is 3, so 123 will be the result, and answer equals to 123 plus initial answer कितना था, 13, which can be written as 1 plus 12 plus 123. 123 is the result. If j equals to 3, then this will be the result and this will be the answer. This whole process is for I equals to 0. Now we have to take same as I equals to 1, I equals to 2, and I equals to 3, because I 0, it's a 0 is index. So 0 1 2 3, this will be same for I equals to 1, I equals to 2, and I equals to 3. And finally what we will do, we will get is 1 plus 12 plus 123 plus 1234. This I am getting with I equals to 0. And if I equals to 1, then what we will get? We will get this 2 plus 23 plus 234, because if I equals to 1, then the substrings can be like 2 plus 23, then 20 234. If I equals to 1, if I equals to 2, then 3 plus 34, and if I equals to 3, then I will get this 4. the total sum of this substring, total sum of this answer will be our answer. So for this, now let's see the time complexity for this. So time complexity is very simple. This loop will go from 0 to n, and the another loop which is j, second loop, it is a nested loop actually. So this will also go from 0 to n in worst case. So time complexity is approx equals to big of n square. So if we run this code, then we will get TLE, because definitely we will get TLE because it's a big of n square solution. So if I submit this, then some of the test case will pass, and 520 test cases pass. Okay. So why? Because that constraint you will see it is the 1 2 but 10 is to power 5. If we do 10 is to power 5 square, it will be 10 is to power 10. That's why it is giving me TLE. And here they have written that the expected time complexity should be big of n. So now let's see the optimal code directly, because now do the optimal code is very simple. If I put this now in this optimal code, what I have done is I have created a modulo which is this 10 is to power 9 plus 7, and this is a function. Okay, so I am taking n equals to s dot length and initially sum equals to 0. I am taking a multiplier because here I have taken the, if I comment this, here I have taken the result equals to 0, एंड फाइनली उससे मल्टीप्लाई करते जा रहे थे. यहाँ पे मैंने मल्टीप्लाई बन लिया है क्योंकि मेरे को अब डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई करना है, बिकॉज हम पीछे से अब स्ट्रिंग के पीछे से हम किसी वेक्टर में इसको पुश नहीं करेंगे, हम स्ट्रिंग में ही डायरेक्ट बैक से ट्रेवर्स करेंगे. ठीक है, सो दैट्स व्हाई मल्टीप्लाई इक्वल टू 1 एंड नाउ वी आर ट्रेवर्सिंग फ्रॉम द बैक, and we'll check like digit equals to s of I minus 0 because it's a string, so we have to convert it to integer. That's why we have to do the minus 0. Minus 0 is minus 0. 0 is the string character like, because if the s of I is for like 49, so 0 का लगभग होता है ऐसा कुछ 48 की something, so that will give me a 1. So that is the correct. So to convert it to integer, that's why we are doing minus 0. And now we will do this sum equals to sum plus digit multiply by multiplier. This multiply initially is 1, digit multiply into I plus 1. Why I plus 1? Because we are traversing from the back, and if you do the dry run, then you will definitely understand why we are doing I plus 1. Now it is finally what we will do, multiply equals to multiply into 10 plus 1, and finally we will return our answer. If you do simply do the dry run for this, then you will understand that why we are doing this multiply equals to multiply 10 plus 1. So let's compile and run this code. Yeah, it is okay, perfect. Let's submit this. Yeah, it is working perfect. So you can see that we are only using, we are traversing only this in string one time, so the time complexity will be big of n, and we are not taking any external space. Actually, as well, we are initializing some variables, but we are not taking any external space, so that's why space complexity is big of 1. So that is the optimal solution for this. The expected auxiliary space should be big of n, but we are taking big of 1, so that is a better approach for this. So if you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Tab tak ke liye bye.